In this video, we will review the latest updates on the Legion tool system. In this case, we need to identify that we have different data mining tools. Lead Spider, which is going to grab the main results from main search engines, and then process crawl and different status. So you have the recipes on different networks or Shopify stores, contact pages, etc. These different commands that you can use on Google, and we make it faster for you. We have the company finder that grabs in real time Google My Business or Google Places, and then crawls the URL found, and you're gonna get more data points so you can contact them on like email. So we have the ad spy, and you can input different keywords like flowers, New York, which is the most paid, flowers, Chicago, and you can crawl the results to get the different results from real-time ads from Bing ads and Google ads. So we also have the desktop tools, which are the past link and grow, and we keep giving support on that, but mainly we have transferred most of the functions on these web services. So once you explore, let us grab, we're right now working on a project called Legion Agencies, so you can create different projects. This project's feature is going to make it easier for you to use this system and the data mining tools. So you use the data mining tools and save it into your projects, and in projects you can filter and verify the emails that are not verified, or filter whatever. So how can we add more or create another project? You just click here and give the name and it creates a project. But how do we add the leads to the projects? So let's go and keep finding. Right now I just have the New York businesses from here. So I'm gonna grab now from, let's say, London, lead generation agency, or let's say Chicago, because I want to keep it right now on USA for this project. So we get the lead generation agencies from Chicago, and it's gonna crawl each of the results. So let's give it some time. So as you can see, we are crawling the websites and grab the contact information and other insights that are gonna work for you, but I'm gonna keep it simple and explain how you can export your project to Gmass campaign. So I'm gonna select them all and remove the ones that I'm not interested in. That's gonna be faster. Let's make it more reliable later. There's a button that I'm gonna add, select all with email, and just remove the, I think it was more contacts with email. Or you can click the cell also. It's gonna make it easier, and then we just go and save into lead agencies. Let's see what we have right now. We have 33 entries, and we're gonna add more. Save selected project. Now we have 83 entries. So let's select the project and then verify and filter emails, because it's only gonna verify the ones that we should remove this lead here, because it's not reliable. It's gonna lose time verifying. Delete selected. We got them out from the lead table, so I'm gonna verify and filter. And here we're gonna start, like, there's another one here with that entries. And you can click here the button that I mentioned, delete empty emails. So it's just gonna delete the empty emails from the fields. And yeah, now that you have verified, see, if you find that you cannot verify some of them, we should click again. So once we have this ready, you need to click on convert project as a Gmass campaign. You can also export to HubSpot, Lemlist, Pipedrive. So we convert to Gmass campaign, but you have to select it first, and then you need to input your Gmass API campaign here. So for this matter, I'm gonna use an account that I have from a blog, and it's on G Suite. So let me grab my password. I have been doing tests, so it works reliable. So I'm gonna go to gmass.co dashboard. So in my dashboard, I connect with the email. So I see the custom emails that I have, and I can see the API keys here. So we click on manage API, you can create a new API key, and I'm gonna use this latest one. So now I need to go to the system, back to the system. Let me resize this, and you just paste the API key here. Now I need to put the email that I'm gonna use, and then on the subject we can go and select the recipe for cold email with follow-ups. Let's do something here as an example. Lead generation data mining tools that post directly to Gmass or Lemlist and will make life easier for agencies to create different cold email campaigns, etc. Now we click submit, and it's going to ask open AI API. Right now it's 3.5, GPT 3.5, but it's gonna be also for GPT-4 soon. So we give it some time. It's generating the text on the endpoint, and once it finishes to generate the text, it's going to appear on the results page. Takes a while. We're gonna see how to put the real-time text that we're getting from the response. Need to make that on JavaScript. So here it is. So we have the different follow-ups. So this, it's supposed to be a good subject. Let's try. Okay. Are you looking for lead reminder to post directly Gmass and after?
Sincerely. So we want to try, yeah. 25 emails from 283, and I'm gonna do how many follow-ups? Follow-up 1, follow-up 2, follow-up 3. So let's select 3 follow-ups, and here, follow-up. Well, apparently, we have to be more creative. I can put it in different, well, in this case, it's not that, it's just a message. Thanks. So we're gonna wait. No response, 3 days. Actually, no reply, and here, let me fix something. So now that, now the stage 2. And
we're gonna wait 6 days. And then stage 3. Remember, you can also do it into other different languages. Just add on the AI prompt here. that you want it in a specific language. So you overdrive the different logic on the prompt. So here 9 days. Now we submit the campaign, and it's going to make a Google Sheet and invite you to your email.